What is Bob Ross liquid black paint? In this video right here, we're gonna go over all the ins and outs as we review liquid black paint and how it can help you on your painting adventure. And we're getting started right now. Hey, it's me, it's Wild, coming at you for my Creative Control playlist where I bring you the best tips, tricks, and even product reviews like this Bob Ross liquid black paint. If you're new here and you're learning how to grow and improve your painting adventures, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. If you're familiar with Bob Ross or Bill Alexander, you probably have heard of liquid or magic white. But what is liquid black or magic black? Just like liquid white, liquid black allows you to naturally blend colors on the canvas. And it comes with a few different attributes as opposed to liquid white. It gives it a natural dulling effect to whatever color is going to go on top of it, which means it's going to knock down the value of the saturation of the color, which lends itself easily to creating natural contrast points and very easy shadow dark spots in a painting. Just like liquid white, liquid black can be added to any color of your choosing to make it easily more applicable for when you're adding layers to your painting, which is going to create a lot more depth in that painting, which is a great thing to have. And as we all know, more layers equals more depth, which equals a better looking painting. Liquid black may not be as versatile as liquid white, but it does add a lot of cool attributes. And let's talk about the two main ones. Like I said before, it adds natural contrast points and it adds natural shadows to your painting. If you're painting bushes and you have liquid black as your base coat, it's gonna make that bush look like it has a natural shadow that is coming out underneath it. And for a more note, if you put highlights on top of that, it's gonna give it an extra 3D effect that makes it pop out even more. If you're painting a river and you want to make it look like it's got some actual movement in it, having a black base coat and introducing colors on top of that like white and blue will create these strong shadow contrast points that makes it look like it is rushing water coming right off of that painting. Speaking of water, if you're painting an ocean and you want to give it an extra 3D look, painting on top of a liquid black base coat will allow your colors to have a little more of a pop, especially if you're going to paint anything with like a wave or sea foam that has rushing or crashing water. All of these contrast points will make those things pop and add to that painting. I myself have trouble painting grassy hills all the time. They don't look just right in the distance, and that's because colors shouldn't be at their brightest when they're that far away. They shouldn't have that much detail, and when you paint with a liquid black base, it's naturally going to bring down that value of color, and I can start to make layers brighter as they come forward. So having a liquid base coat on there for those distant hills and tree lines helps out a lot. You want to know a secret? I suck at painting branches on a tree. You know why? I can never get my paint to flow. Guess what liquid black can help you do? Dip that script liner brush into the can of liquid black and you have the perfect combination for creating beautiful looking silhouetted branches that flow naturally off that paintbrush. Don't like silhouetted branches? Well, you can add a little bit of brown to that liquid black, and again, you have an easy combination that will allow your paintbrush to flow that paint onto the canvas to create beautiful, natural looking branches. Let's address the big question that you probably have about liquid black. Is liquid black too strong for my colors to show through? When I first started painting with liquid black, I was really concerned that colors actually wouldn't shine through or come through at all. I mean, you're painting with black. Black usually sucks out all the color. Surprisingly, no. It just dulls it down a little bit, and if you want more color to shine through, just add more layers on top of it. Liquid black is just there to naturally help you create beautiful effects, just like magic white. Liquid black is a great tool, but you know what? It's not as versatile and you're not going to use it as much as liquid white, which is why I recommend only getting the 8-ounce can, which you can find on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. If you're still not sold on getting a can of liquid black, I recommend getting the base coat value pack from the Bob Ross company. Again, I will put this in a link in the description below, but you get liquid white, liquid black, liquid clear, and again, the conditioner at the end. I will do a review on this so that way you guys can understand how this can help you in your painting adventure, but that'll come out in a few weeks. But this is a great gift idea for somebody who's just starting out, or if you're just starting out yourself, this way you get to test all of these different base coats. I know a lot of you people out there don't have access to Bob Ross products, whether you can't get it on Amazon or you can't buy it in your own stores in your country or region. But not to worry, I made a video a while ago on how to make liquid white, and you know, I thought that would be same with liquid black, but after painting with it for a while, there are some subtle differences. So I'm gonna make a video on how to make liquid black so that way you can make it if you can't buy it where you're at. Hopefully I got you excited to go out and try your own can of liquid black. You know, this stuff is actually really fun to paint with, and it opens up a different avenue of how to achieve different effects and elements within your painting with your style. Hey, if you like this video, make sure you do me a favor and give it a nice thumbs up and leave a comment below and let me know how I can help you out on your painting adventure. And if you want to help me and this channel grow, make sure you follow me on all of my social media accounts on Twitter and Instagram, so that way you can keep up with me and my videos when they go live for you. And if you want to see me paint, I paint all the time on Twitch TV/WildForGames. And if you want to go above and beyond to help this channel grow, make sure to follow and support me on my Patreon so I can bring all of you more high quality content. I will see you guys in the next painting tutorial videos that I do here. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.